Listen up. This exact 18-inch mistake actually fails 40% of drivers at the DMV parking lot. Why? Because slightly misjudging that space and bumping the curb is an automatic critical error, instant fail. So how do you nail this when the curb is literally invisible from the driver's seat? Well, blame the blind area. Your car's body blocks the view, making parking feel like total guesswork.
But hey, here's your cheat code, visual reference points. We're going to use your car to beat the blind area.
When the curb visually lines up right with the center of your hood, you're a safe distance away.
To align that front bumper perfectly, watch your passenger mirror. Just stop when the curb appears right underneath it.
Remember, topping the curb is game over, but leaving extra space, that's just a tiny point deduction. Now, states like California and Texas legally require you to park within exactly 18 inches of that curb. Meanwhile, places like New York and Florida demand an even tighter, totally sweat-inducing 12-inch tolerance. So, build a safety buffer. Don't aim for 0 inches. Target 10 to 15 to smartly manage risk. As you pull up, use smog, signal, mirror, over the shoulder, go, and definitely creep forward at a slow walking pace. Don't fall for the backup camera trap. You gotta look out the back window 90% of the time. Grab the wheel at 12 o'clock. Keeping your left hand top center guarantees you reverse straight without disastrously oversteering. Instructors always say to take full advantage of those 18 inches. Use that legal buffer to guarantee your pass. Master these reference points to completely beat the system. So, is your spatial awareness truly ready for test day?
Over 1 million learners use ABCE learning apps to pass IT exams. Find us in the bio.